If you're planning a trip to Russia, one question that comes up is how to pay for things.
It's a really common concern for travelers right now, and for good reason. You see, most international credit and debit cards simply won't work there. But there is a solution, and it's something you can arrange from home before you even leave. The answer is a local payment card from the MIR system, which is Russia's national equivalent to Visa. And a service called UMoney now allows foreigners to get one of these cards delivered abroad. Let's walk through the process. It's really just 4 straightforward steps.
Okay, so first you'll simply register for an account online. All you'll need for this part is an email address and your current mobile number.
Step 2 is verifying your identity, which is a standard security measure. You'll do this right in the app by taking a quick selfie video and scanning your passport. Once you're successfully verified, this increases your account's spending limit. Okay, step 3. Now you'll need to add a small amount of money to your wallet. While there are a few ways to do this, using an online exchanger is often most reliable. You only need enough to cover the one-time fee for shipping the physical card to you. And once those funds are in your account, you can finally request your physical card. It's shipped to your home address, comes with a tracking number, and is valid for 5 years. So, once the card arrives, what can you actually do with it on your trip? You can pay everywhere and, importantly, book tickets for trains or museums online in advance. It just gives you peace of mind and means you don't have to rely on carrying lots of cash. For a complete step-by-step guide on how to do this, just see the link in the description below.